Oops. Oops, I did it again. Somebody stop me. I can't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I'm gonna get down with it. Get down with it. I had to go grab my scissors. Okay, another Goyard unboxing. This time, not from Goyard, but we are on good terms finally with Goyard, and I will do that in a separate video. But Goyard unboxing that I got, not from StockX either, from RealReal. There were two things. I had a little bit of credit, and I wanted to use it. And they had two things that I saw that were in pristine condition, excellent pristine condition, or whatever they were, like nowhere. So I wanted to try them out under retail, both under retail. So I was like, let's give it a go, because usually the RealReal has everything above retail. So for Goyard. So I thought I would try it out. Let's check them out. We're unboxing some RealReal Goyards. So, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, Shopaholic, and today we're unboxing a RealReal Goyard. Purchase of 2 Goyard items from the RealReal. This doesn't feel like it could be big enough for both of them though, but we'll see. So it might just be one. So if you're interested, please stick around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Okay, so in total fashion, I'm gonna unbox it on TikTok, and then we're gonna talk about it, and that's where it's gonna go. So pause for a sec. Pause. So basically, I saw 2 things on the RealReal that, I mean, I always look at the Goyard stuff because I want to see what the prices are, but the prices are always way over retail, so it's like, why? But when I see something that's under retail, if it's in good condition, then I check it out. Like, I sometimes want to see what their used things are like, and I want to be more sustainable and buy more sustainable things, so that's why my whole RealReal spiel and things like that, and trying to get more into that. And RealReal, if you want to do a partnership, I'm here. But anyway, so I saw these and they were both under retail and in pristine or excellent condition. They had no wear, quote unquote. RealReal has sometimes been wrong about that, so I'm a little nervous. We're gonna see what happens. We're gonna see what it is, because you cannot. And the other thing that's wrong with the RealReal, not wrong, but the other thing I don't like is that you cannot return. So that's why I don't like to get things from the RealReal for bags. You cannot return bags. It's final sale. Now they have a new thing where you can pay some amount of money to like protect it, but I don't want to pay more for it to protect it. So I would only buy bags from the RealReal if I actually saw them in person at the store with my sales associate there. But I very rarely bought bags from the RealReal. Actually, I don't think I've ever bought. I've only bought a few, very few. So I only want to get things if they're brand new, because like if they're used, I don't know, and I don't see it and I can't return it. It makes me a little, and the photos aren't always that great. But I know this isn't a great great sales pitch or to be a spokesperson for RealReal, but I will do it. We can talk about it. I can make it better. Anyway, so we're gonna unbox this and we're gonna talk about it. Okay, I'm gonna switch. Okay, so as I was saying, so I got both of these because I wanted to see what they were like from the RealReal. I wasn't sure what they were gonna look like from the RealReal, and I wanted to see, and they're both under retail, not Paris retail, US retail. I saw these and I thought I would get them, so I think I ordered an MM, and this is I wanted this as a little clutch to put my other stuff inside my other bags, like inside my Berkey. And I wanted it in red so I could match my wallet and then get it monogram too. And actually, I mean, it is pretty cute. I can't tell, I'll have to look at it a little more closely, but it looks like on first glance, the condition looks pretty good. It's supposed to be excellent. I don't see any signs of wear. So that's pretty good. And let's see, we'll check the year real quick. I'm gonna need light here because there's no light on me. It's probably gonna make me look weird lighting now, but okay, 2021. I mean, let's see. Looks pretty good. I don't see any wear. No wear anywhere. No wear anywhere. And the other thing I got also looks pretty good. Oh man, wow, I just ruined it. It's a Cap Vert in baby blue, which I've never actually had a bag in baby blue. I've had one wallet that I destroyed. I've never gotten anything else in baby blue, so this is a first. It's kind of exciting because it's very pretty, and like, you guys, I mean, this makes me really happy. Also, I think Andrew would really like this for his birthday, so I might just get this because he's been wanting this bag. Looks pretty good, right? Oh my gosh. Nice little crossbody. Oh, perfection. All right. All right, well, that's what I got. Little Goyard unboxing from the RealReal. So this was supposed to be, I think it was $1,200, but then it was 20% off. So it was like $1,000, which now that I'm thinking about it is probably the same price as France if it's this size, because I think the size, I have to double check, but I want to check. But if this is the right size, then it's good. If it's the wrong size, then it's a little small. But I think it's the right size. I can't tell. And then this is normally 20. This was like 19 or maybe 18. So a little under US retail. Under US retail, it might even be a little bit under Paris retail. Oh, it's got some of the plastic still on, so that's good. All right, well, that's all I got for now. Adding more, getting every color. I want every bag in every color, as we know. Okay, thank you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Maybe I'll give a giveaway of one of these instead of the St. Louis. It's not a bad idea. Let me know what you guys think. I gotta update you guys on the Goyard giveaway anyway. Okay, so that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. You hate to share it. You're gonna be next time. I know your time is valuable and I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.